Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today is another Dollar Tree walkthrough. I just did one of these not too long ago, and since I'm kind of new to the walkthrough way of making videos, I'm still kind of formulating how I want to kind of situate these videos. So this one's gonna be done a little bit differently. I did ask on my community page kind of what are some different videos you would like to see, and walkthroughs of various stores definitely came out on top. So I really want to do more of these for you and get better at doing them, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna kind of just try to start up my walkthroughs by just chatting with you, then going into the walkthrough, and then I will, if I purchase anything at the store during the walkthrough, I will share those products with you at the end. If not, then I won't. So I think this is gonna be the format, at least for the next little while, as I kind of navigate this new type of video. So I'm really excited. Anytime as a creator we can get new ways of making content, it's always a great thing. It's one less idea that you have to come up with. So I'm very, very excited about this. So first of all, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining. So I do hope that you'll take just a moment and hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of Dollar Tree makeup and haul oriented content, as well as other types of videos. So I do hope that you'll stick around and become what I like to call one of my Dollar Divas. Of course, if you're returning, thank you so much for returning. So yeah, today is a walkthrough. I kind of have two Dollar Trees that are close to me, and this is the one that is a little bit further away, but bigger. And it's the one that I don't frequent quite as much. My last walkthrough, which I will have linked down below, along with my entire Dollar Tree makeup and haul playlist, is actually the Dollar Tree that is a little smaller, but it's closer to my house. Both are really great. Sometimes they have their bad days, but they also have a lot of really good days. So I'm excited to take you to one of my frequently visited Dollar Trees. And then I did buy a couple of items, like literally just a couple of items, and I will share those with you at the end of this video. So if all of that sounds good to you, definitely keep on watching. So like I said, I really did only buy a couple of items, but I did want to share them with you. So the first thing I purchased, because I love these lip glosses, is the Hard Candy Plumping Serum. This is in Solstice. And I have already opened this one up and have used it. And so it's kind of like a coral and gold. So here is a swatch of it. Very, very natural. Kind of reminds me of an Estee Lauder one that I've loved. So here it is. Really, really pretty. Really pretty. So I did pick up one for me, and I bought one for a future giveaway. And then I bought some hair clips. I do not have them with me at the moment. Here they are in work. And speaking of work, I am trying to share a little bit more on my Instagram these days, especially about like my performing life and career. So I have them, when I say at work, I have like a backstage area, a dressing room that I do share with other girls. It's not like a private dressing room or anything like that. And I've been trying to share more things of that side of my life on my Instagram. So definitely follow me on Instagram if you're not. As well as this clip that I'm wearing in my hair right now. It's like one of these little metal like wire jaw clips. And I can tell you already, I love this thing. I actually purchased this one here at Ulta like a couple years ago. I think they had gold as well. It's a little bit bigger, it's a lot heavier, and I don't like it as much as I like this one. So I haven't seen silver, I've just seen gold, but yeah, super great. It just holds up my hair. My hair is kind of fine, so anything too heavy kind of weighs it down. It's strong. It's, for my fine hair, it's like the perfect size. So yeah, so I bought that as well. Then two more items. One is these Crafters Square glue sticks. You get 20 of them. And I picked up more of those because I do have a glue gun that I use from time to time. And so I picked up some of those. And the last item, and I've already used this, so it's out of the package. But, you know, I love kitchen stuff. And I've got like some nice big cutting boards, like big wooden cutting boards, fancy ones, you know. Sometimes you don't want to lug a cutting board out to like cut a few pieces of cheese or a tomato or something like that. So I saw these little bamboo cutting boards at the Dollar Tree. Like this, and I would say it's probably about 9 inches or so, maybe 9 by 4 or so, roughly. And you know, just the perfect little thing if you just need to cut some cheese or like a tomato, and you're not doing a whole bunch of stuff that you need a big area of space for. This is perfect. Like I said, I already used it last night. We ate hamburgers, and my husband likes tomato on his hamburger. So I just used this to just cut him a couple slices off of that. And so yeah, for $1, that was a steal and just a very, very convenient thing I can just take out if I need and rinse off and not worry about having something really, really big and heavy just to do something really, really, really small. So yes, I did just purchase a couple items, but I did want to share them with you. So anyways, if you enjoyed this walkthrough, please show me you did by hitting that like button. And have you seen any of these items at your local Dollar Tree, either the ones in the walkthrough or some of the ones I have purchased? Definitely comment down below and let me know. Again, I will have my entire Dollar Tree makeup and haul playlist linked down below if you're interested in watching more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.